extend your stay in Thailand by doing a border run from Chiang Mai to Laos, I booked a bus from Chiang Mai to Chiang Khong on Want to Go Asia. Pickup point is at Chiang Mai Bus Terminal 3. This bus terminal has cafes, snacks, food stores as well as paid toilet. The whole bus ride takes about 7 hours. I chose a middle seat as it has more leg space and shields away from the sun. The ride was really smooth and I slept well and did some work on board. Snacks, water and wet tissue is provided. There are several stops in between the journey for toilet break as well as a 20 minutes lunch break. At 5 p.m. I have arrived at Chiang Khong. Once you alight, the bus conductor will transport you to a Tuktuk which costs 50 baht to bring you to the Thai border. Once you get stamped out, board a bus to Laos for 25 baht. At Laos, fill up the arrival form. Immigration officer asks for a 40 baht overtime bribe fee before she can release my passport. At Laos, do an immediate way back to Thai border for 40 baht. Once at Thai border, you stamp your way into Thailand and you get another 30-day extension. As there is no returning bus from Chiang Khong to Chiang Mai, I had to stay one night in Chiang Khong. It's around 6:30 p.m. Only private vans are available to send you to your hotel. I spent a night in this traditional Thai-style hotel. There are no lights in the common bathroom and I had to use a candle to shower in the dark. My room was sandwiched between two rooms and I could hear everything from both rooms. And my neighbor did a Zoom call at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, waking all of us up. I have to take a 2-hour bus to Chiang Rai before catching a connecting bus to Chiang Mai. The bus from Chiang Khong to Chiang Rai is 2 hours at 90 baht. After 2 hours, I have arrived at Chiang Rai's bus terminal. I found this super delicious Thai bang store. Oh, it's so crunchy. This is my final bus towards Chiang Mai, which is about 4 hours. This is the total amount of money I spent for this border run. In conclusion, do I think is it worth it? I think it's time consuming and the savings is not a lot compared to booking a border run on a direct same day return journey. Subscribe, comment, like and support my channel. See you in the next video.